Hello Glow family, welcome back to Glow Essence, your go-to space for beauty, skin and hair care. In today's video, we will dive into some essential beauty, skin and hair care tips that will help you glow from head to toe. Or just want to maintain a natural glow, this video is for you. So grab your tea, sit back and let's get glowing. When it comes to skincare, consistency is the real magic. Here is a simple 3-step routine you can follow daily. Cleansing. Always start with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, use a foaming cleanser. For dry skin, go for a cream-based one. Moisturizing. Never skip moisturizer, even if you have oily skin. It locks in hydration and keeps your skin barrier healthy. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or aloe vera for hydration. Sun protection. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Use SPF 30 or above every single day, even indoors. This one step can slow down aging, prevent dark spots and keep your skin youthful. DIY tip. Mix a little aloe vera gel with rose water in a spray bottle and use it as a refreshing face mist throughout the day. Hair care tips. Now let's talk about hair. Our hair faces pollution, heat styling and stress, so it needs extra love. Oiling. Use coconut, almond or bhrangraj oil once a week. Warm oil works best as it penetrates deeper into the scalp. Massage gently to improve blood circulation. Hair wash routine. Don't wash your hair daily. It strips away natural oils. 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. Always follow shampoo with conditioner to lock in moisture. Masks and DIY packs. A simple DIY mask. Mix yogurt, honey and a little hibiscus powder. Apply for 20 minutes for shiny, soft hair. Avoid brushing wet hair as it leads to breakage. Use a white tooth comb instead. Beauty care and glow tips. Beauty isn't just makeup, it's about feeling fresh and confident in your own skin. Here are some glow boosting habits. Hydration. Drink at least 2-3 liters of water daily. It flushes out toxins and gives you plump skin. Diet for glow. Include fruits like papaya, oranges and pomegranate. Add nuts and seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds and almonds for healthy skin and hair. Sleep and stress. 7 to 8 hours of good sleep is the ultimate beauty treatment. Meditation or yoga helps reduce stress, which directly affects your skin and hair health. Quick DIY beauty hack. Mix gram flour, turmeric and milk to create a natural glow pack. Apply once a week for radiant skin. So beauties, that's your complete guide to glowing skin, shiny hair and natural beauty care. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Glow Essence and hit the bell icon so you never miss our weekly beauty secrets. And tell me in the comments what's your go-to skincare or hair care ritual. I would love to know. Until next time, stay glowing, stay confident and remember, your natural beauty is your true essence.